Hello everyone, today this is going to be a very simple video on how to send from BNB to your Coinbase wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. As you can see, currently we are on the BNB application. From here, we have the total balance, referral, rewards, favorites, hot gainers, losers, new listings, everything that we might need. But most importantly, we have all the different cryptocurrencies that we can choose from. Now we're going to scroll all the way down until we find someone or something that we might like to exchange or send to PNB. And from there, we're going to click on withdraw and send via crypto network. And from here, we're going to go right ahead to the Coinbase app. Once we get here, we're going to go and explore. We're going to search the assets and click on BNB. I'm going to click on the first one. Use this address for receiving tokens and NFTs on Ethereum, Base, Polygon, and everything else. We're going to copy that. And then we'll go right ahead and go back to the BNB and then paste the address. Then after that, we're going to choose any of these chains that we might like, and don't forget to pay the fee. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.